One way that you can use video in the classroom is for reading a test or some kind of assessment, or maybe even an assignment for those non-readers or struggling readers. Once you have the video created, you can add that to Seesaw in order for them to access it. So one way to add the video to Seesaw is by sending the students a message in the inbox. And you can do that by going up to Add, the green plus sign, choose Send Announcement. And in the Send Announcement, you're going to want to select your audience. So you notice that you can send it to students, family members, or students and family members. In the case of an assessment, you probably want to just send it to students, and then you can type some kind of information here. And then you can go to Add Attachment. Now from Add Attachment, there are a couple of options. You can do a drawing, and in the drawing you can go to Camera, you can upload, and you can upload your video file wherever you have that saved. You can upload it. And once it's added in, you can click the check mark. And then once it's on as an attachment, you can click Send Now, and it will show up in the inbox for students. So students will have to go to the inbox. Now, normally it shows up on journal or activities, so you'd actually have to encourage them to go to the inbox. Also, just along those same lines, if we're going to do Send an Announcement, and again, if I chose my audience, and I do Add Attachment, another option is to upload a file. And notice in here it gives you the restrictions, which it doesn't say that in the other one. They're still the same, but it just lets you know your limitations for uploading a file. So the maximum size is 250 megabytes, and it tells you what kind of files that they need to be. So I can again select from my computer, I can go access that file, and then I can use my check mark. Now, if you noticed on there as well, there was select from Google Drive. You can do that as well. If you have the movie saved in Google Drive, you can do that too. It looks like I do need to have something in my announcement, and then I can do send. Now, what I would recommend when everyone has taken this, I would recommend that you delete this announcement so that this announcement area doesn't become too overwhelmed and students can easily find what you need. That way it keeps this area kind of clean. Remember that using the inbox is one option for posting a video. You could use activities or journal as well.